Whew. So I have all this written down. I don't think I can say it. So you make me better. I love you.
So sassy, wow. I love you. Wonderful how completely everything in wild nature fits into us, as if truly part and parent of us. The river flows not past, but through us. Thrilling, tingling, vibrating every fiber and cell of the substance of our bodies, as well as our souls.
And every songbird, wind song, and tremendous storm song of the rocks in the heart of the mountains is our song.
Our very own, and sings our love.
And sings our love.
Janelle Brown, you came without warning. We started writing the story that led to today, the first night we met. You stole my heart before I could do anything about it. Since meeting you, all I've been thinking about is building a future together. As we plan for our tomorrows, I promise to never lose sight of the adventures together that led up to today.
Despite all of our differences, love is what we all share. It's the great unifier. It's our one universal truth that no matter who we are, where we come from, and what we believe, we know this one thing. Love is what we're doing right. And in this moment, we're reminded that the ability to love is really the very best part of humanity.
I promise to always remember today and that the love I have for you. I think I loved you before I even knew you. I feel closer to you today than I ever have. And I promise to love you forever with everything that I have.
You make me happier than I ever imagined I could be. You make me feel more loved than I ever thought was possible. I promise to always return that love, to always encourage you, to grow with you and challenge you. True love is 7 little words. I'm there for you no matter what. I promise to live up to that. I choose you here today. I will keep choosing you every day for the rest of our lives.
Rain or shine.
Rain or shine, I'll always be with you.
I love you.
I love you.